What's up people, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can reset your cPanel. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Okay guys, previously I recorded a video where I actually showed you how to do this. You have to reset your cPanel directly from your cPanel, whereby I actually came to my file manager and actually said I told you to select all here from here and delete, and also showed you some other things to actually do. One thing about this, it might in a one way or the other have a little or effect on your cPanel. So the best approach I would actually advise you to actually make use of is by following this other method the method I'm going to be showing you today. This method should work for you 100%, and it's not going to give you any error on your cPanel. So now what you're going to be doing is just to head over to your dashboard. That's the main dashboard from where you got this particular website, particular hosting. So you can see this is my dashboard, and on every dashboard there's always the support team. So what you're going to be doing, go to my dashboard, and the main part is my dashboard recent. Then you see your recent support ticket. So currently there's no support ticket now on this, so you can just click on this support ticket. I'm actually using Mountains Cloud. In case you want to, you can actually make use of this and create an account here, but always just navigate and look for where you can be able to chat them the support from your own dashboard, wherever you got your hosting from. So just chat them up and you just send them a message. Now you can just related hosting inquiry related. Now you can say, okay, this is my hosting account. Let's say it's high, the priority is high. So you can tell them, I want to help reset my cPanel. Then just one thing you should know: help reset my cPanel. I know, just notify them, because one thing there is that they might reply you that, so just to give you the consent, that so that you tend to know that doing this might delete all your files on your dashboard. Because what they are going, in most cases, what they will actually do, they might terminate it and recreate the hosting for you, the hosting account for you. So it comes as a blank new hosting. So you just let them know that you have, so that they won't have to start asking you for more questions or letting you to give consent. So you just have to just let them know that you actually know that doing this will affect all. I know that doing this will affect all my sites, and all my sites, database and emails. Please just go ahead, formats to reset you can say to reset or format the cPanel. So once you can send them this message, and you can just from that just click on send. That's all. Once you've done that, you click on submit. Once you've submitted it, definitely they will attend to you, and they will do the whole resetting from their end. So with this, now you see that your cPanel will be formatted for you from the support technical team themselves. So you don't need to stress yourself into doing anything. So I believe this video must have been helpful, and in case you're still watching this particular video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on whenever I upload new videos or content like this. So until next time, bye for now.